If you are looking to add a touch of bohemian chic to your space, you click on the right video. If you are here, it's because you, like us, love staying ahead of the curve in home decor. Today we are exploring a trend that's not only gorgeous, but also incredibly versatile, Pampas Grass. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to share with you more than 60 ideas for creating a fabulous home interior using Pampas Grass as decorative accessory. Why watch this video? Here you will discover the origins and reasons behind the soaring popularity of this fluffy, feathery decor trend. You will learn how to choose the perfect themes for your space, from color variation to stem light. Your visuals will spark your imagination and give you countless ideas to refresh your home interior. But before starting, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any of our trend alerts. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Pampas Grass is the current it decor, and as I already said, will keep you ahead of the curve with the latest styling tips. Pampas Grass, with its wispy elegance and rustic charm, has taken the world of interior design by storm. But what is Pampas Grass, and why is everyone so enamored with it? Let's find out. Native to South America, Pampas grass is a tall grass that boasts feathery plumes, often used in a bright floral arrangement. It's the perfect blend of natural beauty and long-lasting decor. When selecting your Pampas grass, consider the plum size, color, and fluffiness, whether you prefer a natural hue or something dyed. Match your decor. There is a Pampas grass for every palette. Caring for your Pampas grass is a breeze. A light mist of hairspray can help reduce shedding, and keeping them away from direct sunlight will preserve their color. Pampas Grass can complement any style. Place them in a tall vase for a minimalist look or create a boho chic vibe by pairing them with colorful textiles and eclectic decor. Pampas Grass adds textures and warmth to any room. It's a statement piece that's also incredibly adaptable. Personally, I love using Pampas Grass because it brings a touch of nature indoors without the upkeep of live plants. And as you can see, Pampas Grass is more than just a trend. It's a timeless addition to any home. And the best part, it's an affordable way to make a big impact. Let's see several more tips for decorating with Pampas Grass. 1. You can create a dynamic look by arranging Pampas Grass at different heights. Use a mix of tall and short vases to add depth to your space. 2. While natural Pampas Grass has a beautiful neutral tone, don't be afraid to experiment with dyed Pampas in pastels or bold colors to match your decor theme. 3. Incorporate seasonal elements with your Pampas Grass. For autumn, add some dried leaves or pine cones. For spring, pair it with fresh flowers. 4. Place Pampas Grass near a light source to capture its ethereal glow. The delicate plumes can look magical when backlit by natural sunlight or soft artificial lights. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for joining us on this fluffy journey. We hope you are inspired to add a touch of Pampas perfection to your space. Remember, decorating with Pampas Grass is all about expressing your personal style. Have fun with it and don't be afraid to get creative. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your Pampas Grass creations. Until next time, stay stylish and remember every space has a story, and with Pampas Grass, you are the author. Subscribe for more decor stories and let's make every corner of your home a conversation starter. See you in the next video. Bye for now.